Good morning, sir. Welcome to Beautech Restaurant. I'm Arvin Chan. I will be happy to serve you. Are we holding a reservation for you, sir?
Yes.
Under what name, please?
Solis.
Please have a seat, Mr. Solis, and I will, while I check our records. Mr. Solis, we have prepared a nice table for you. Please come sit here. Will this table be alright with you, sir?
Yes.
May I unfold your table napkin, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I serve your cold water?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your complimentary bread roll with butter.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like to start with an aperitif? We have chilled sparkling wine and margarita cocktail. We also have orange juice and iced tea. Which do you prefer?
No, thanks.
All right, sir. I'll be back for the menu. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu and wine list for your selection?
Thank you.
I will be back for your order, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order now?
Yes.
Sir, if you don't mind, may I know if you have food restriction or allergies?
None. I have like to have a bacon cheese bomb with for appetizer.
Okay, sir, how about your soup? Would you like to try our creamy mushroom soup?
Just give me one serving.
How about your salad? We have Italian salad with cheesy dressing. Would you like to try it, sir?
Yes, for main course.
How would you like your steak be prepared, sir?
Well done, please.
The beef steak that you ordered would be best complemented with our Carlo Rossi red wine.
Yes, please.
In a glass or in a bottle?
In a glass, please.
How about your dessert? We have sliced chocolate cream cake with red cherry. Would you like it to try, sir?
Sounds great. Yes, I'll try that.
How about the coffee to complement your dessert?
Yes, give me a black coffee, please.
Is there anything else would you like to add, sir?
Nothing else.
Do you have a special request, sir?
None.
All right, sir. May I repeat your order? You ordered one serving of bacon cheese bomb for your appetizer, creamy mushroom soup, Italian salad with cheesy dressing, well done beef steak for your main course, complemented with a glass of wine of Carlo Rossi red wine, a slice of chocolate cream cheesecake. For your dessert, complemented with a cup of black coffee. Did I get your order right? Sir, your order will be served after 15 minutes. May I suggest a glass of champagne or a glass of lemon juice while waiting for your order to be served?
No thanks.
Thank you, thank you, sir. May I get the menu card for this?
Yes.
May I present to you your order of Carlo Rossi red wine, a good vintage of 1999 with alcohol content of 5% and originated from South Korea. Shall I open the bottle for you?
Yes, please.
Here's the cork, ma'am. Sir. Sorry. For your evaluation, would you like to taste it first?
Yes, please.
How's the taste, ma'am? Sir.
Tastes good.
May I pour your glass?
Yes, please.
Enjoy your wine, sir. I'll be back for your main course.
Ah, excuse me, sir. Are you ready for your main course?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your well done beef steak. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of our house specialty?
It tastes good.
Thank you for appreciating our house specialty. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with this? May I take this now?
Yes.
Would you like to have another glass of wine?
No.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your chocolate cream cake with cherry on top. Enjoy your dessert. Excuse me, sir. Here is your black coffee. Excuse me, sir. May I take this now?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I present your bill? Thank you, sir, for paying the exact amount. Thank you for dining with us. We look forward for your next visit.